Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Raja Freelance channel. If you're new to social media marketing or feel overwhelmed by where to start, don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide that beginners can follow to grow faster on social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And yes, I'll also show you how AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Canva, and Surfer SEO can make the entire process easier. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your goal. Are you trying to grow followers, get leads, promote your services, or build your brand? Clear goals help you choose the right content and the right platforms. Step 2. Pick the right platform. Instagram for visuals, YouTube for long videos, TikTok for fast reach, Facebook for community building, LinkedIn for business clients. Choose the platform your audience uses, not just the one you like. Step 3. Understand your audience. Ask yourself, who am I talking to? What problems do they have? What content do they enjoy? The clearer you know your audience, the easier it is to create content that grabs attention. Step 4. Create content with the help of AI. You don't need to write everything from scratch. Use AI tools to speed up your workflow. ChatGPT right pointing arrow for captions, ideas, scripts, and marketing messages. Jasper AI right pointing arrow for polished and brand-friendly content. Canva right pointing arrow to design posts, carousels, ads, and thumbnails. Surfer SEO right pointing arrow for ranking blog content and improving visibility. AI tools make content creation faster, but your personal voice makes it powerful. Step 5. Plan and schedule your posts. Consistency is more important than posting 10 times a day. Create a simple weekly plan. 3 posts, 2 short videos, 1 long form content. Use automation tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Meta Business Suite to schedule your posts and save hours of work. Step 6. Engage. Don't just upload. Reply to comments, ask questions, run polls, and join conversations. Engagement boosts reach more than any hack or keyword. Step 7. Track results and adjust. Look at your analytics weekly. Check which posts got the most likes. What time did your audience engage more? Which topics performed best? Use this data to create smarter content. And that's your beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide to social media marketing. Start small, stay consistent, and use AI tools to save time and grow smarter. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips, AI tools, and digital marketing strategies. See you in the next video.